smells really good. So today we're going to do skincare using Forever Living products. So if you know me, so you would already know that how much I love their skincare and weight management products. So I just used their aloe vera scrub and now I'm using their marine mask, and guys, both of these products are amazing. The scrub has a really fine texture and is not at all abrasive on the skin, whereas the mask left my skin feeling totally fresh and smooth. Next up, I'm using their aloe vera gel product. Also, all these products are properly sealed, so that's the reason why you're watching me struggling with the seal, and luckily we have opened it. Now I'm going to apply it to further soothe my skin, followed by Forever Epi Blank, which is an amazing product to target your sun damage and treat it, such as dark spots, pigmentation, and is basically an all-rounder product. Then we are using Forever Alpha E Factor, and this serum is amazing. It is an oil-based serum, but it is super light and feels non-greasy on the skin, and I totally recommend it. I love Forever Living products.